There are two hospitals within the territorial jurisdiction of the Second District of the province of Iloilo. The Aleosan District Hospital, ADH for short, in Alimodian, Iloilo. The Western Visayas Sanitarium and General Hospital, Wvsgh for short, which was formerly known as Western Visayas Sanitarium. This Wvsgh is located in Barangay Inangayan in Barangay Bolong Oeste, Sta Barbara, Iloilo. ADH is one of the 12 district hospitals under the Iloilo Provincial Government, while Wvsgh is under the Department of Health. Wvsgh is a 300-bed general hospital which offers the following services: emergency medical services, general care services, leprosy care services, outpatient services, laboratory, radiology, major and minor surgeries, pharmacy, medical social services, health services, and general administrative services. Most of the patients of the Western Visayas Sanitarium General Hospital come from the Second District of the province of Iloilo because it is located almost at the center of the said political district. Many people of the Second District have enjoyed the services of these two hospitals, especially since Wvsgh was upgraded to a general hospital. However, people of the Second District have been surprised and worried of the reports from the mass media and the information from the Facebook post, which started almost a week ago, about the silent protest of many of the employees of Wvsgh. According to the reports and Facebook post, employees are complaining that their salaries are released only every 3 months for already a number of years. Allowances that were promised to them have remained as mere promise. Performance-based bonus, productivity enhancement incentive, Philippine Health Insurance Corporation sharing, collective agreement, negotiation agreement, hazard fee, subsistence and laundry allowance, and other benefits have not been given to them. The elevator has not been fixed for 6 months already, since after it had stopped functioning. Hospital equipment and facilities have not been immediately repaired. Sometimes there are no supplies, bandage, scissors, alcohol, etc. to be used, among others. If it's true that employees' salaries are released only every 3 months, I don't think that employees can perform well if not paid for 3 months. If they do not perform well, patients are adversely affected. I don't think that employees can perform well if they have been bothered by the delay of the release of their allowances and benefits. If they do not perform well, patients are also adversely affected. If elevator has not been fixed for 6 months, hospital operation is negatively affected, especially the transfer or mobility of bedridden patients from one level to another level. If hospital equipment and facilities are not functional or are not working well, if there is shortage of supplies, bandage, scissors, alcohol, etc., patients are undoubtedly affected. Patients are already suffering physically, emotionally, mentally, and or economically. Their suffering should no longer be prolonged or worsened by ineffective hospital services. They must be treated well by the hospital healthcare workers. Madam Presiding Officer, my esteemed colleagues, supposedly this may be an internal problem of the hospital, but my concern is the affected employees, especially the affected patients who happen to be my constituents or constituents. They are bothered, they are perturbed, they are worried by these internal problems. I don't think we could afford to be fence-sitters on this issue. This is something in which we must also lift our fingers for our affected constituents. Who knows, we would be instrumental in normalizing the situation. God bless Iloilo. God bless us.